gentlemen, you know we gang. Yo, chillin' with the mustache. Gang. Chillin' with the mustache. Gang. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you on to CHOOK MOUTH GENG. For nothing serious, just vibes. We catch vibes everywhere. You did the catch feelings. I catch my vibes. I go by the name Papito, aka Papi Non-Stop.
And of course, I go by the name A to the D to the A, Adatundu.
Your boyfriend don't show. You know how they go now.
Alright, so CHOOK MOUTH GENG, you know what we do? We drop it like it's hot onto this level. Ada, hear us hard. What would the CHOOK MOUTH onto this level?
Oh, man, now the comments when I see on top social media.
Alright.
I got some mascara and call. Make we CHOOK MOUTH inside this matter. Person talk say, if I be Wizkid, I go still drop Essence Reggae remix with Damian Marley and Kofi. He say, now they craze. I remix my own song with one of the biggest artists in the world. You say it's not necessary. Who are you? Who goes there?
You see, first things first, big shout out to Big Wiz for this jam, Essence. We truly see the essence of this jam. First off, as it land, it crawl enter Billboard 100 charts, enter like 54 or 55 thereabouts, and it can't even do something which surprise the whole world.
What do you do?
Justin Bieber featuring on the remix. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a world-class performance. Ladies and gentlemen, this one is something we see anyhow, anytime, any day.
But it's necessary.
Why? Why? Yes, it's very necessary.
Why you feel
Let me tell you something.
And which aspect take the necessary?
Young man, hold on. My boss train.
Okay.
Do you know that Justin Bieber as it did so now the closest to Michael Jackson, number one. Number two, hold on. What I mean by closest to Michael Jackson, I know what I mean.
You know what you mean. Make us know what you mean.
Number two, he be the pop star of the moment right now. See, if Justin Bieber to walk on your corridor, just your compound alone, you don't
go come your compound.
This will not be about say whether it did necessary. The fact that he's on that song alone is a major clout and major attention given to Afrobeat in diaspora. For real. Reason think I'm deep.
We need to stop all this. People go say that cultural appropriation.
Don't tell me that.
It means it means say when something they work for you, another man can say because they work for you, they'll try to farms you. They won't farms you.
So you want them to say just by the farms?
Yes! How? Put out to you.
No!
Justin Bieber.
Do you know it can be possible?
Justin Bieber, the farms Wizkid.
How?
And he himself no hide.
It's not possible.
He himself no hide because of after he released his song, he can say,
how can you match that?
No. He said, "Thank you, Big Wiz, for allowing me jump on this."
No,
he's a fan.
No, you should understand.
Wait, at the vex now. You should understand. Say Justin Bieber gets very humble personality. That comment not me say he give away. He say he apply in that form. He allow me to come into your company as a stakeholder.
Yes,
that's rubbish.
Like that
Bro, Baba.
No,
Justin Bieber's performance on that SS Jam, he gave that song a better acceptance in diaspora. Now, Wizkid
talk that one.
Wait,
calm down. We go agree say before Justin Bieber even jump on the song, so many artists and celebrities over there don't
They don't jump on it. Yes, it's a band.
So you already they do well without Justin Bieber. No gonna give Justin Bieber this.
Don't rest on your hours. I'm sorry, what's in that? It don't spoil. What's in that? Listen, Justin Bieber jumped on that song. He turned the sugar into ice cream. He turned it into icy sugar. He turned it to get pineapple sugar. Look at this.
He makes lemonade out of lemon.
He made you honey out of just drinking honey. Now, another thing. Look at, for example, go back to history. Despacito Jam. When it dropped, it didn't do well. When Justin Bieber breath of fresh air everywhere, it didn't turn to a mega jam on the charts. So on this same package too, Essence
You don't
see the essence.
You don't go miss young. You know what I say? You don't miss young. Despacito already do well on its own.
Yeah, they talk. We're saying the same thing now, bro.
You need to understand the second way music they go now. Before now,
which second? Roundabout.
No, second they go because of people like Luis Fonsi, J Balvin, Bad Bunny, all of them, they come out because of the Latin music craze.
Okay.
Yes.
You understand? And when now, they come our own side.
But when that song be Latin for them. But when Justin Bieber jump on that song, you saw the acceptance. Despacito.
But you don't come be like say, sit down. But you don't come be like say Justin Bieber the way jump on songs where they do well. Let's say Justine Bieber don't get the pattern of jumping on songs we already they do well because according for wetin you talk,
then you should jump
Essence they do well already.
Because CHOOK MOUTH GENG is doing well.
Oh, are you fair?
Maybe I say Justine Bieber don't follow me.
He don't follow you.
He don't follow me. He don't follow me.
You don't follow.
Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Don't follow me.
That's serious. Just vibe. Oh yeah, what's the next one to jump on top this level?
Okay. On top the eviction.
Hey.
And you know now, Big Brother eviction will happen.
You are a Big Brother representative.
Before we go even enter the eviction, the party. In a certain time for the party, where Angel one pin Michael.
It was
Angel Michael. He pin her for neck.
I just say allow me to enter
Allow
into,
me to express myself.
Allow me to enter into your realm.
You will not enter.
You don't say.
You don't go enter my realm.
No, please. I need to. If you enter, you don't tap into your
This realm, it will be a doom. It will be a doom.
Okay.
It was a Potiphar's wife moment.
I see Amu.
Hey, God.
If you go back to the Bible,
Most people show your biblical heritage.
That one place we see that scene.
Michael try. He pin her like you want for neck.
He said, don't play with me. Hey, Joseph say, allow me to go and take something.
But you know, say for that house, things still they fairly open. It they relatively open.
Okay.
Nothing is absolute. Like now, for that house now, you don't be surprised.
Tell me.
Saga can still do anything with any other person apart from Nini. It's still with chill. I understand that
The official Ozo.
That is I feel like.
no,
I feel like
bro, guys,
everything is mine.
It's still relatively open. Anything can happen for that
I mean, I
house.
don't feel like saying
Anything fit happen for
Saga they
that
hurt
house.
himself. Nini don't tell you say she gets somebody outside.
He set
You dey
himself
gum
up.
body unnecessarily.
You set
People
yourself
ask
up
him,
for
oh.
outdoor.
And now when so many girls they there for you,
And
just
she
they gum
claim,
body.
well, we're just kind of like we're just close. You guys look like him.
And that way happen. People come they drag Ebuka talk say like Pere. Say he they try to set Pere up
I know-
against
I
the
don't know
housemate
why- I don't know why
or set
people
the
do this.
housemate
Yeah.
up against Pere.
is
And
actually
also
good.
he talk with Maria no be no say at some point Pere don't tire for him as deputy head of house. He won't come out time.
Who no go tire?
Ebuka just bring out the whole thing come outside.
You see this
so people
head
don't
of-
they drag Ebuka for that one now.
Head of house, so everybody don't they manage.
Which
They do
Pere
the-
done?
It turned out to military.
He don't have the military regime. He's a good dictator.
You see, this Pere guy, he can one big brother and tell
To
big
do
brother,
wetin?
come and serve me food now. I'm hungry now.
And now the way we
Now-
did it talk.
No, but he gets what people they call good oratory.
Yeah, he's a
But
very good orator.
I like how they talk, but watching they talk,
You
me, I
don't
know,
make
like
sense.
that's not the problem.
You are talking in a rubbish.
Now going
You
back to
are talking in a
Ebuka's job,
Okotomia.
I think say people does the overreact.
Okay.
Ebuka is doing his job as a presenter.
Exactly what me I feel too. Exactly what me I feel.
They bring out hot topics. People go fit do it, make controversy on top. Now what's they happen on top of that level with that?
Because-
Nothing more, nothing
okay.
less.
Because at the end of the day, all of them know say they get microphone for body. You understand? So, and if you talk, everybody for house don't hear them. So, it's either now or for the reunion we go talk about.
And
am.
another thing, I even feel say parents say bring out content. I mean, the house don't they too boring. If you know come out white money for kitchen, if you know give the military style content, no go day.
This week alone.
For me, I don't know about another
last
person.
week alone.
For me,
Last week
in as
alone,
much as
the
I feel
house,
say
the way the house takes shake last week alone.
Because of parents HOH.
I swear.
he put the housemates on standstill. No, if you talk to her
parents
back.
will be head of your house too. Your house will have a lot of drama.
I don't need them.
My house is in order.
Make you don't command me for kitchen.
Okay, so eviction. Aaron and Princess, you expect them?
I expect them.
You know,
For Aaron,
Tega
but
said-
no,
Tega
don't go
just-
Aaron one. I understand that.
them nominate Tega to her.
Yeah, but she no go.
She no go.
I
She was
expect.
saying-
For
I
me,
expect. And I like
Sasuke
Princess
was-
exit. I like Princess exit.
No, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
No, is it? No,
Don't touch me.
No.
But she just dropped that last
Just drop
one.
her. Cross.
Papito is my cross. Sorry.
Eh?
Papito is my cross.
Hello.
Sorry.
Hello.
Papito
Papito is my cross. I like that one. Papito is my cross.
But sincerely, if anybody ask me, anybody will go out and not Tega. But I don't expect it.
Nah, take a get content.
For me,
Tega get
for me,
content.
na Tega and Princess. I was expecting
No,
Tega.
man, I would expect Tega.
I don't even expect.
Queen of
Then
memes.
Sasuke, what's going on?
No,
They don't
Queen
get
of memes. She gets her facial expression at every given time. You can't say that. She dey drop am.
She will take
And
cross
she'll
hand
get
like
this.
this.
Instead of memes,
So that my expression now. So by expression, I'm safe for all this.
Not just by
So
expression.
just in case you enter
I
there.
didn't even expect
Like,
say
your
Emmanuel
strategy.
go. I expect say Emmanuel go because I know I so far I never seen Emmanuel do for that
Nothing
house.
but fine
Aside
boy.
show chest, open this thing, nothing.
Maybe wetin una dey like.
Waiting with the light.
Maybe wetin una dey like.
I beg, wetin be
Una dey
six,
like say-
wetin be six packs without content? Wetin be six packs without content?
Dey wear shirt all throughout the show.
Wetin be six packs
Boma,
without content?
but also
Boma
Boma,
is
every
always
time they always
shirtless.
come on the boxers, that pants go to show.
I
every time.
swear.
Why is he showing his pants?
No, but that's what they
Na
like.
designers.
No, my God.
Shout out to
Una see the
Wizkid.
dance, una see the dance, Dutch Bieber dance. Una see
now
that
na
dance.
those vibes now.
Like the
Na cultural dance.
that spirit, manifestation, connecting with the nature.
connect to the spirit of the motherland.
To the realms.
Spirit of the
Catch it,
motherland.
Guys,
catch it,
nothing
catch it,
serious for
catch
you.
it,
Not
catch
just
it.
vibes. Chook Mouth Gang, your regular
Woo!
podcast on
Let
top
them
this
know.
level. Go subscribe. Go do everything we guys do on top this level. Ladies and gentlemen, we catch vibes on top here. Catch you.
Follow us on top of our social media handle.
Oh yes, so what to be
Yeah, so I did it on top Instagram for Adaku Chineme, ADAKUCHINEME. Oh my God.
They go use this romantic sound.
Follow
They
me,
follow you.
follow
They
me.
follow you romantically.
Follow me.
Oh yeah, you.
Is your DM open?
It dey open.
Sliding.
If you
Diving.
fall, I no go catch you.
My own na Emeka Ezem EMEKA.
Ezem.
Touch me well. EMEKA EZEM. Now where you go follow me?
Sister,
Why they come to me and touch you?
touch me too. Touch it.
Papi.
I'm asked Papito. What's up, baby? Yeah, baby. Chook Mouth Gang. You know we gang.